so today we're going to take a look at this guy. It's a pretty standard one. Let me just show you around the box. Sometimes there is more information around the box than even on the website itself. It does tell us a 5-year limited warranty. So that's right here, warranty. Gives us some information back here, what it's recommended for. And that's about it. Let's just open it up. And there it is. So what do we get? It's pretty big, by the way. Thought it was going to be slightly smaller. See, it's slightly scratched already, which is kind of weird. Here we got the charging. Yep, so it's a big manual. Well, actually, it's not that big now that we take a look at it. Not much information in it. Yeah, it's not really that much information in it. Instruction manual. It's pretty short, and it should be, because this is pretty simple. Just hook it up, and that's about it. So right now, what do we get? Well, this guy is what we're looking at. So here are the cables, and here's this. So this is to charge up a battery. I gotta say, it feels like good quality. So this right here feels good. Feels awesome. Yep, feels like pretty good quality overall. It's kind of weird that it came with scratches. I'm wondering if it was opened before. It feels like it was. And then you got the cables. They're pretty long. Comes with the 2 standard ones, so you guys can just hook it up to your batteries to charge them up. And here, again, this is just an unboxing, so I'm just gonna show you what's inside the box. Make sure to watch the setup video or the how to use video so you guys can see this in action. But again, it's pretty simple since you guys are just gonna be plugging this in and then hooking this up to your battery. So it is extremely simple to use. Right here, it does tell you like some warning stuff. So no battery detected. It tells you to see the manual or reverse connection. So it does give you those error codes right there on the cable, so that's a good thing right away. But here you guys got your modes, and there's no screen on it, but you guys will notice the battery charging right here. So it does say 25. Let me just zoom in on it. That's the most I can zoom in. So you guys can see there's going to be a light when it says 25, 50, 75, 100. So you won't know when it's charged. That's actually really important. Then we got modes. So we got the 2 different ones here. You have to hold it down for 3 seconds for the mode, but regardless, you guys have those 2 ones to choose from, which is very important. But that's it. That's all I can show you, because inside the box we just got the manual and this guy. And again, that's just because it's something so simple, and there's really nothing else I can show you around the thing itself. Except for the back, maybe there's some information back there. Let me just try to focus in. There you go. There's some info, just some. There's no more buttons around it. There's nothing around it to show you. And that would be it for today's video. If you guys have any questions, comments, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.